Good morning, guys, and today I'll be talking about why beginner dropshippers quit. But before I talk about all that, I really want to thank you guys, for supporting my channel. And if you guys haven't subbed yet, please subscribe and like and comment if you enjoy these videos, because that helps me grow. So let's get right into it. Number one, results aren't fast enough. I mean, people expect to make like $1,000 when they just put 20 bucks on Facebook ads with a terrible ad copy. And then they get mad and then they say it's a scam because they didn't get any results. That's just not how it works, guys. You guys have to put the effort in. You guys have to do the research. You guys have to, money just doesn't come like this, especially if you don't know what you're doing in the beginning. You have to do your research. YouTube is free. You guys are on YouTube anyway, looking at other pranks or whatever you guys are watching. You might as well use this to make money. That's exactly what I did. I did it all on YouTube for free, and you guys can do the same thing. Just take that action and, take notes and learn from this. So number two, overthinking. This is what a lot of you guys do. This is what I used to do. I even still do this sometimes, but I need to freaking knock it off because it just doesn't help anything. Don't overthink this, guys. Just make it as simple as possible. You don't have to have the best website. You don't. Trust me, I'm making money off a free theme right now, and it's super simple. I advise you guys to do the same. Create a website that's super clean, nothing major. Just make it nice and simple. That's my advice to you guys. But yeah, like I said, people overthink and then they end up just quitting because there's just so much information. They feel overwhelmed. But don't quit, guys. You guys can do this, trust me. And number three, people get stuck on product research. They think they have to find the perfect product, but that's just not how it is. You can't just assume that the product's gonna be a winner just by looking at it. You have to test it. I tell this to people all the time. You have to test the product because you will be surprised what product hits or what product flops. You just have to test. Test, test, test. That's why I'll always preach, test the products before you assume they're terrible, because if you test it, at least you tried it. Because if you just are stuck in that product research phase, you're gonna quit. Don't quit, guys. Please, don't do it. Don't do it. Number four, some people can't afford ads. Some people see that, oh, they're pretty expensive. I mean, Facebook ads can get pretty pricey, or Instagram influencers. Well, my advice to you is build a theme page or a meme page on Instagram. It might take a little bit, but that's a free platform you can, promote your products on. That's what I have. That's how I started, and that's how I got my winning store. Just create your own platform, then you won't have to pay anybody. You can test all the products you want. So yeah, guys, I wanted to make this video because I see a lot of beginners getting overwhelmed and then they get stuck in the product research, or they overthink about everything. Guys, just breathe, everything will be okay. Just test, take action, build a website, fill it with some products, test it, and then go from there. Because you'll see people, if they add to cart, why are they adding to cart but not, initialing checkout? Figure that out. There's apps on Shopify for that. You just have to keep going. Don't give up. Because if I gave up, I would still be in my third shift job. I'd be sleeping right now, actually. It's 8 in the morning. I would be coming home and going to sleep. Now I don't have to. It's amazing. So guys, don't give up, please. I want you guys to succeed, I really do. And I know what it is to be in your guys' shoes in the beginning. I get that. So I hope this video helped. I hope this video gave you some type of motivation to just keep going. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Just make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and then show this to your friends, whoever's interested in dropshipping. And I'll see you guys later.